Asa man? Asa man ang tanaw ni Lola? Wala pagkakita si Lola. Asa man? Ang katanaw si Lola. Ha? Asa man ang tanaw ni Lola? Asa? Asa planet? Wow! Hala! Oh my God! What's happening? Careful! Arrange.
Orange Lola.
Ha?
Orange Lola.
Arrange si Lola? Okay. Help Lola. Na help me Lola. Okay. 1. Careful. Careful ha. Mag-careful lang daw me. Mag-arrange doon siya sa iyang planets. The balloon is make a planet.
It's beautiful planet.
Careful. Careful ha. Careful. Oh, the birthday boy make a planet. Arrange. Careful. Okay na? Sipag pa. Careful.
Matawan Jupiter.
Where is the Jupiter? Be. Oh, careful lang. Si Lola lang sa. Oh, lagi. Wait.
Matawan.
Oh, lagi, wait. Wait lang ha. Oh. Sibog na to anak diha.
Jahat na
Oh, anak. This one.
Mars.
This one.
Jupiter.
This one.
Saturn.
This one.
Uranus.
This one.
Neptune.
Okay, very good. The planetballoon made by Baby the birthday boy. Yay! Bye-bye. See you next video mga palangga. Happy birthday baby. Love. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye. Oopsie.